Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add certificates on Upwork. This is a great way to showcase your professional qualifications and stand out to potential clients who are looking for verified expertise in your field. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Upwork dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your freelance profile. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select your profile. This will take you to the main profile page where all your information, work history, and credentials are displayed. Once you're on your profile page, scroll down through the various sections. You'll pass through your overview, work history, and portfolio until you reach the certificates section. This is where you can display all your professional certifications and qualifications. Right beside the word certificate, you'll notice a small plus button. Click on this plus button to begin adding a new certification to your profile. A menu will appear with different options for adding your certificate. For this tutorial, click on Add Manually. This option allows you to input all the details of your certification yourself, giving you complete control over how it appears on your profile. The first field you'll encounter asks for your certification name. Enter the exact name of the certificate you earned in the designated field. Make sure to spell it correctly, as this is what clients will see when they review your qualifications. Next, you'll need to enter the provider in the field below. This is the organization or institution that issued your certification. Whether it's a university, a professional body, or an online learning platform, type the provider's name clearly. Now it's time to specify when you received this certification. Click on the calendar picker for the issue date. A calendar will pop up allowing you to select the exact month and year you were awarded the certificate. Choose the appropriate date and the field will automatically update. Similarly, you'll need to select the expiration date by clicking the calendar picker for that field. If your certificate doesn't expire, Upwork typically provides an option to indicate that as well, but if it does have an expiration date, make sure to select the correct one. Below these date fields, you'll find a space to enter a description. Here you can provide additional context about the certification, what skills it represents, or why it's relevant to your work. This helps clients understand the value of your credential. Finally, once all your information is filled in accurately, click the Add Certification button. Your certificate will now be added to your Upwork profile and will be visible to anyone who views it. And there you have it. You've successfully added a certificate to your Upwork profile. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.